Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how to put your iPhone in standby mode. It is an iOS 17 feature added by Apple in recent updates. So now if you're using iOS 17 in your iPhone and you can't get or don't know how to enable or put your iPhone in standby mode, this video will surely help you. So let's start the video here. But guys, before that, one request: if you're new here or first time here, please consider giving a sub or subscribing to the channel, because I make videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and they are really helpful for people like you. So now getting back to the video guys, first of all do one thing: go to your setting application, open settings, and here scroll down, and here go ahead and open option called standby. First of all, the first thing, that is your enabling standby mode. Open that and here enable the standby in your iPhone. Okay, basic requirement. Once you do that, so now how to enable or how to put your phone in a standby mode. So guys, remember, standby mode is enabled or activated on your iPhone only when your iPhone is charging and it is tilted or kept in a landscape mode, right? Just like this. So do one thing: to enable standby mode, go ahead and plug your iPhone to charging. Okay, after that keep your phone or a sideways in a landscape mode, but in a standing position, not a ground or a flat. Okay, so your iPhone screen should be facing to sideways, not a upside. Okay, so like that, once you do it, it is how you can put your iPhone in a standby mode in a simple step. So first requirement, enable standby mode in settings. Second thing, plug your phone to charging, and then keep your phone sideways facing, right? It is simple and easy steps. I hope you got the video. I hope it helped you. So guys, please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.